welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to react to EAS alarm from different countries. EAS alarm means Emergency Alarm System. We're going to react to 10 of these. First, we're just going to start with the United States of America. That is not scary for me. I heard that like a million times. Well, it's kind of scary if I heard that at like night, but it's still not scary in the morning. So I'm going to rate that a 5 out of 10. Okay guys, now we're going to do France. Out of 0 out of 10. We're going to do Japan now. It's like a ice cream truck, which is jumping up and down in like an arcade game. That is not that scary. 1 out of 10. This is Greece. Oh no, no, no. That is very scary. That is very scary. I'm gonna give that a 9 out of 10. Okay guys, this is Spain. Hey, I think your phone is ringing. It's the EAS alarm. It's like ring a phone. Is that actually how it made? You just put on a phone, record it, when someone's calling, and you post it to the screen, and then I'm gonna rate that 6 out of 10. It's not that actually scary. Okay guys, this is Australia. Sounds like a whole bunch of policemen, like police car and a policeman, like the car with the little light, with the sound. Yeah, it kind of sounds like a million of them. I'm gonna rate that a 7 out of 10. It's not that scary. Okay guys, this is Sweden. I don't like alarms which is like 8-bit like this one. I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 10. Okay guys, this is the United Kingdom. Sounds like the America one, but it's just a beep, but just more longer. I'm gonna rate that 4 out of 10. So this is Canada too. Canada. Sounds like a sound from the video game. So I'm gonna rate it I'm gonna rate it a 2 out of 10. Okay, this is Norway. That is scary. Hear it. I put it a volume to make you scared. Are you scared? Probably not. Well, I'm gonna rate this a 100 out of 10. That is very scary. Okay guys, this is Mexico. I kind of like this. I want to listen to like 10 more seconds. I kind of like it. I'm going to give it a 0 out of 10 because I'm talking about the least scariest to the big scariest. Well, it's kind of cool at all. Okay guys, thank you for watching. And remember to like and subscribe. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye. And remember, at 200 views and 100 likes, I'm going to make a part 2. Okay guys, bye.